You are not alone. When you need family protection, retirement income, business risk solutions, we're here for you. We are not alone either. We're a family of companies built to complement each other's strengths. Individual strengths such as top ratings, top rankings, top solutions, and group strengths such as a long corporate heritage, serving millions of customers, paying billions in benefits. We're three distinct brands under one big brand umbrella that's bigger than you may know and stronger than you may realize. So be part of something bigger. We are, and you can be too. Learn more today.